This bird is known as a powerful ambush predator. The shoebill is an incredibly patient hunter. It can stand motionless like a statue for hours in shallow swamps, waiting in silence for fish, turtles, even baby crocodiles. And when the moment comes, everything changes in a single deadly strike. The shoebill begins to build its nest, slowly gathering reeds and swamp plants, carrying them one by one, then carefully arranging them. It carefully shapes the nest, pressing and arranging each layer, strengthening the structure, making it more stable, until the nest is finally ready. The shoebill begins to lay its eggs, usually producing between 1 to 3 eggs. Each egg is laid with time, not all at once. After laying its eggs, the shoebill leaves the nest to hunt for food. On the second day, it is laying its final egg. Then, it will return to hunt in the swamp, preparing to incubate the eggs. The eggs are incubated for about a month, with the male and female taking turns. In the heat of the swamp, the shoebill cools its eggs using water from its bill. A crocodile appears, slowly approaching the shoebill, its eggs in danger. The crocodile suddenly moves into attack, but the shoebill stands its ground, striking back with its powerful beak. The crocodile keeps pushing forward, but each move is forced back. In the end, it retreats. After 30 days, the egg finally begins to hatch. Weak and fragile, it slowly pushes its way out. The parent leaves the nest, searching for food. The mother returns, bringing food, still weak, but driven to survive. Shoebills often have two chicks, but not both will survive. The first chick grows stronger, becoming dominant. When the parent is away, it begins to attack, pecking and pushing its sibling aside. The stronger one takes more food, while the weaker one slowly fades. The parent does not interfere, focusing only on the strongest. In the end, only one survives. The young shoebill has grown, becoming stronger each day. Now, it is ready to leave the nest. Even after leaving the nest, it does not face the world alone. The parent still guides it, teaching how to survive. With each passing day, it grows stronger, more confident. Now, it hunts on its own, while the parent stays quietly nearby. Now, no longer depends on its parent. The distance between them slowly grows. In the wild, only the strong can survive. Every step is a fight for life.